Hello YouTube, ProKiller351 here, and this is a pretty odd video you guys are probably thinking, and it should be, because this is a AAA Silverado tow truck that someone that was from YouTube that was making Operation Repo videos sort of inspired me to get this mod, and which then made me wonder why this attached car menu wouldn't show up for me. Well, it does show up for me now. And another thing is, if you guys don't know how, this is still the Bobcat, just to let you guys know, and I will prove that. I believe it says that when I enter the vehicle. It will say in the lower left hand side, it will say Bobcat, and look at that, I have ELS enabled for it. And this is no joke, guys. I actually know how to do this now. And if you guys want me to show you, I'll do a tutorial on that later. But I'm just gonna, tow this vehicle behind me. So you go to attach nearest car to current car, which would be that one. Unless you have it saved, then you can do it that way. And as you see, it's just horn, not siren. And well, I'm just gonna drive this into Red Dead Desert. See what happens. I don't know why, guys, but it's running at a very low 17 FPS. Don't ask why. So just said I don't know why. Mainly, because you're not gonna get an answer. I did not run over those cones. The car behind me ran over those cones.
I'll be thinking somebody following me, son.
I'll cut to a segment of me showing you guys how to make this vehicle a non-police vehicle, ELS enabled. So here you go. One thing, guys, I would like to mention is see that it's an ELS enabled vehicle now. If you hit the button that normally enables sirens, it will actually enable the siren. But if you change it to a different thing other than G or your normal button to hit the siren, it won't have that problem. Just like normal. Hello YouTube, ProKiller351 here, and well, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the tow truck ELS enabled without making it a police vehicle. So first you want to go to your game directory, then you want to go to your ELS config, well, .NA basically, the INA. Yeah, sorry, I can't speak tonight. You open it up, and you see all this stuff. You don't touch any of that. Notice how it says has these little brackets. So, and the space, etc., and the vehicle name. Well, that's because it's going into the vehicle.img and basically taking that, making it able to use ELS. Basically, it's adding and removing components. So you scroll down to the end. Well, I don't think you have to be in the end, but I am. And you do the little bracket thing, and then you do space. You type in the vehicle name you want to replace. Well, add to the ELS enabled vehicle list. Put another space, another bracket, and then you add. You can basically highlight, copy, paste. Of course, I was not smart to begin with, and I actually typed out these two, and then I highlighted and pasted it. But either way, it will work. Towards the end of this video, I'll state how you can basically you don't have to use the Bobcat file. I am almost positive you don't need to use the Bobcat. And if you wanted to use some other vehicle, like let's go into Spark 4 and pick a random vehicle. So say you wanted to do maybe the burrito or whatever you want. So instead of Bobcat, I don't know if it needs to be in all caps, but I would put it in all caps just to be certain. And you do that, and there, you're in. That's all you guys have to do. I'm not gonna save this because I have it as the Bobcat. So hopefully you guys like this video. Now you'll be going back to me driving it and parking it into a garage. I don't know why I parked it in the garage, but I just did. So hopefully you guys enjoy the last of the video. Don't save. So I'm almost to the place I was going to go to. So let's just get there real quick. Also, guys, I'd like to notify you guys saying to this little notification. If you guys do not have Simple Native Trainer version 6.4, this mod will not. Well, you cannot attach the vehicle. Just say that. So I'm gonna, back up this vehicle into this little garage. Yeah, guys, I know this backing up job is not all that great, but I wasn't designed to back up cars into parking lots or whatever this is. And you do the same thing to detach it, apparently. Then, there you go. You just repossessed a vehicle. There you go. So I play the little tutorial and essentially to be able to make this vehicle ELS enabled without replacing it with a actual police vehicle. If you guys want to know how to put it in, and maybe you guys want to not make it a Bobcat, simply just change the normal file name. And if you still want it to be ELS and you don't want to put it in the if you want it to be ELS but you don't want to put it in a police vehicle, you do the same thing, except with instead of it being Bobcat and you replace it with whatever vehicle you put it in, you replace it with that name. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.